Well, hello there. You fist bump? All right. Yeah, good job. How you like that hat?
You got the Santa Claus hat on.
Yeah, Santa Claus. You know what? Santa Claus has something for you.
Uh-oh. What's he gonna have?
Yeah, hold on. Oh, are you cold? It's chilly. No, something behind your ear. Behind your ear. Come here.
Go closer.
Come here.
Go closer to him, honey.
There you go. Oh, there we go. Here, you want $1 for Christmas?
Aw, say thank you.
You can buy mommy something. Can Santa Claus have a hug?
Go give Santa Claus a hug. Give him a hug. You can give him a hug.
Come here. Give me a hug. No, that's for you.
That's yours, okay?
That's for you.
Give Santa Claus a hug. Give him
Come on.
hugs.
Come here.
Give him hugs.
Hey, give me a hug.
Come on.
Oh, all right.
There you go. That's sweet.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, Santa.
Merry Christmas to you. Bump. Fist bump. You got it. One more time. All right. Can you give me 5? Good job. Good job. You want to see that?
The Santa hat. Santa.
You want to put it on? Come here.
You want to put it on? Come on closer.
Here.
Oh, look at you.
Let me see. Look here. Let me
Look
take
at
a
Mr.
picture.
Lance. Come here. Back up. Look at
Justin.
Mr. Lance.
Or
There you go.
Justin.
Lucas.
Lucas.
Oh,
Yeah, well, that's all for you.
thank you so much.
All right.
Say bye-bye.
Well, I'm going to take my hat back.
Give him back his hat, baby. All right.
Okay, one more fist bump. All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Can you wave?
Time bye-bye.
Yeah,
Oh,
all
there you
right.
go.
All right. Good job.
All right.
Bye, Lucas.
Want some
Okay,
other
one more. Bump.
All right, come on, buddy.
All right.
Come on, little guy.
Bye-bye. You got that monkey on your back.
Yep. I think I might have to get a bigger one.